walking strong and healthy like Jollibee!
Yay!
For the second wish, Caleb, ikaw ay lumaking madasalin at may pananalig sa Diyos. Everybody, let's love her together.
Yay!
For the third and last wish. Ayan. For the third and last wish, Caleb, ikaw ay lumaking super pogi and super macho at mas matalino gaya ni Daddy.
Thank you, Jollibee!
Ayan. So, maliban sa gift, sa birthday wish, ano pang i-prepare